One evening of late, as I ramble by the banks of yon clear purling stream, I sat down by a bed of primroses, and I gently fell into a dream. I dreamed I beheld a fair damsel, her equal I have ne'er seen before, and she sighed upon the wrongs of her country as she strayed upon Erin's green shore. I quickly approached this fair female. My jewel, come tell me your name, for really to me you're a stranger, or I should not have asked you the same. She appeared like the goddess of freedom, and liberty's emblem she wore, decked around with shamrocks and roses that bloom upon Erin's green shore. She answered, kind sir, I'm a stranger. My mind unto you I'll unfold, and I'm here in the midst of all danger, and I don't know my friends from my foes. I'm a daughter of Daniel O'Connell. From England I have lately sailed on, and I've come to awaken my brethren that slumber on Erin's green shore. But I think you're a true son of Grania. My mind unto you I'll disclose. Go down to the meeting at Clonmel, and truly your enemies expose. For when you do possess true wisdom, no enemy will come to your door, and the bright star of freedom shall illumine the poor upon Erin's green shore. In transports of joy I awakened, but alas, it was only a dream, and this beautiful damsel had vanished, and I longed for to see her again. May the powers above be her guardian, for I know I will see her no more, till the bright star of freedom shall illumine the poor upon Erin's green shore.